That's working the video, and here's the text. So for every virtual card, okay, I mean for every Mastercard or Visa card, it is linked to a particular kind of bank account. Okay, so with this video, I'm going to show you how you can just get your virtual card linked to a bank account, and the bank account that will be linked, okay, or that is linked to the virtual card or the Visa card or the Mastercard is the GCB bank account. Okay, so I've already made a video concerning that one. Okay, so just check in the comment section to know how you can just register your account and also more about the mobile banking app. Okay, so the GCB mobile banking app is what you're going to use to just show you how you can just create a virtual card, okay, for your own self. So this is just a Visa card that you can just use for purchasing things online. You can just top it up and everything. I'm going to show you how you can just do it. So if you're new, please do well to like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this channel. Now let's start with it and let's dive into it. Let's go. So just first log into your account on your GCB mobile app, okay, and I have 1.5, I mean 150 pesos in my account right now. So for you to just get your virtual card, tap on the view all, okay, view all right here, just tap on there, or look down, we have cars, okay, we have cars, just tap on the cars. And then when you come to this side, look down, the third one, which is GCB virtual cards, just tap on this. Okay, so I'm just going to create card and then find it for online use. Okay, so we are unable to display cards details. Okay, so you select to create and manage a virtual card at your own convenience. Okay, so look down and tap on virtual card request. Okay, so request virtual card down here, and then from account. Okay, so you just tap on the account, you select the account. Maybe you have created 2 accounts from this app. Okay, you just select the account right there, and then you tap on submit down here. So we are just going to create a virtual card for this account. Okay, so from this account, okay, we have the card details, and then you can see my name is there, and you can see Visa, okay, Visa, and then the amount details is here. So issuance fee is 1 cedi, so you are going to deduct 1 cedi from this, okay, from my account to just get me the virtual card. Okay, so make sure you have topped up your account, okay, your GCB wallet. So if you don't know how to just top up, just check in the comment section, or at the end of this video, a video will be on the screen, and then you watch how you can just deposit on your GCB mobile app. Okay, so after having money in your account, look down and tap on confirm. Okay, so you are going to enter your pin. Just enter your account pin right here. You wait for some time, and then you can see request successful, virtual card created successful. So we have go to card. Okay, just tap on go to cards, and then you tap on GCB virtual card, and then you can see virtual prepaid card. Okay, so this is my Visa card, and you can see for safety reasons and for 1 or 2 reasons they have hidden it. Okay, so you can see the number on this has been hidden, but I can just tap on view to just look at what we have for the Visa card. Okay, so let me just tap on view, and then we have view details at the top. With the view details, it will show you all the number on the Visa card. Okay, it will show you all the numbers on the Visa card, and then we have the eye right here. The eye, will just tap on it, it will also show you the amount that you have, okay, on the Visa card. Okay, so with this one, let me hide my details for now, because the CV and everything will be showing. Okay, and I don't want you to just see it. Okay, so for safety reasons and for us all to just look at how we do it, it should be hidden. So you can see the expiration date is here, which is 1st of 2027. So it will expire after 5 years. Okay, so this is 2024. 3 years, just 3 years. Okay, so it's 3 years instead of 5 years that I said. It's 3 years. So after creating it, just calculate and look at the date that you're going to use this Visa card for. Okay, so look down here. So you can see we have the temporary stop card use. Okay, so you can see block card. We have the block card right here. We have the adjust limit, control the use of funds on your card. Okay, and then we have top up card. Okay, so we also have update contact. So change your email or mobile number for OTP. Now let's look at the block card. Okay, so the reason for you to block your card, it means that you're going to deactivate your card. Okay, is you suspect fraud or personal reasons or other reasons. Okay, and then you just continue with it. I don't want to block mine, but this is how you do it. You just proceed with it and then you just block it. And then we have adjust limit. Let's go there. So please, if you're new, like the video and subscribe for more, because more videos will be coming right here on this channel. So you can see the minimum is 1 cedi right here, and then the maximum is 20,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, so we have the ATM, that one too, we have it there. Okay, so we have the change limit at the top. Let me just tap on the change limit right there, and then I can just change the limit right here, which is Ghana cedis 15,000. Okay, so POS limit, use option below to control your current limit. You may type the amount or use the buttons to adjust the volume. Okay, so you can just tap on the plus sign to increase it, and then the manual sign to also decrease. Okay, yeah, so that's it. And then you just tap on submit down here. Okay, so let me say okay. So you can see the limit is 20,000. That's the maximum. Okay, so you can just change yours, or just tap here and then you just enter 1,000. Okay, as your limit, and then you just tap on submit. All right. Okay, so that's the POS limit. Okay, then you enter your PIN to confirm that you are really the one who is making these changes. Okay, so I don't want to change mine. Let's go back. Same with the ATM and same with the online. Okay, so with the current one, you can see we have the current one. This is 15,000. We have the current, which is 5,000. We have the current, which is 15,000 as well. Okay, so for POS, ATM, and online, they have all their limits right there. Okay, now let's go back. We have the top up card. So this is where you're going to top up money from your account to the virtual card. Okay, so let's say you want to use the Visa card for something, but you don't have money on it. You can just transfer from your bank account to your Visa card. But first, know that you need to top up your GCB mobile app. Okay, so you can do that with your Momo. So from your Momo to GCB, from GCB to your Visa card, and then it's simple. Okay, so now let me enter the amount. Let's say 0.5, because that's the amount I have in my account right now. Okay, then the narration, as I always say, fee or something, you just type something. Okay, and then you can just enter it right there, and then just tap on submit. Okay, so you can see error, insufficient balance. Okay, so this is how you are just going to do it. This is the scenario. This is how it will be like, and then you just top up, and then when you just tap on the eye, it will show you your amount, and then you will get to know how much you have on your Visa card. Okay, so that's it. We have the update contact. Okay, so we have the email address. You just enter your email address right here, and then the phone number right here. You can also update it. Okay, right here. So after entering your email and also your mobile number, then you just tap on submit down here. Okay, submit down here. You enter your PIN, and then you select the category for this transaction. This will be used to track your spends. Okay, so let's say which one. Okay, let me say transport. Submit. So request successful, transaction finished successful. Okay, so just tap on go home. Okay, go home. Let's go to card. Let's go to GCB virtual card, and please like the video and subscribe for more videos. Okay, tap on view, and we have the update contacts right here. This is where you just get all this block card, adjust limit, top up card, and we have the update card. Okay, so we have the card activities. Okay, so this is where you see most of your transaction. Okay, let's say you made payments of this, you made payments of that. This is where you'll be seeing all of them right there. Okay, so yeah, sure, that's the card activities. So since we have not used the card for nothing, you may not be seeing it right there. Okay, so just forget about the card activities for now. After using it or buying stuff with it, that's when you can just come here and check. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So if there is any question, just check in the comment section, put it there, And also check in the comment section, check on the screen to know how you can just top up your GCB bank account, okay, on your phone from your Momo to the app.